Hi, good and amazing people. You're welcome once again. Thanks so much for always tuning in. Our returning viewers, first timers, all our amazing subscribers, you all are highly blessed. In today's video, we'll be making delicious and irresistible moi moi, and the ingredients are black eyed beans, vegetable oil, some onion, sausage hot dog that makes it so delicious and tasty. We'll be needing chili pepper and red bell pepper. Garlic and ginger is good for proper digestion. I will also use Calabash nutmeg or African nutmeg and the other nutmeg that is well known. But for this recipe, I'll be using only the Calabash nutmeg. I love the wonderful and local flavor it gives to moi moi. I will also be using moi moi leaf, also known as etere or uma leaf. I think it's popular in Africa. I'll be using some salt. This is how the local nutmeg or Calabash nutmeg looked after peel. I'll be adding some crayfish, just a little of it. I've washed and soaked the beans for 2 hours. I made a video on how to peel beans in 3 minutes. You can check it out, okay? Next, I will heat up the moi moi leaves for it to be stronger and easier to work with. It also prevents the beans puree from spilling or leaking. Then I will keep it aside to use later. This is how flexible it will appear after I've heated it up. I will also go ahead to remove the moi moi leaf stalk so that the leaves will be more flexible and easier to fold, and to prevent the moi moi from spilling out and for it not to pierce the folded moi moi. Next is to dice the hot dog into shapes and sizes of your choice and keep it aside. When making moi moi, you need to set all the ingredients ready before blending the beans. I've washed the leaves. I will keep them aside to use later. All my ingredients are ready. Now I will blend the beans. I will add red bell pepper, also known as tatarshe, chili pepper, also known as shombo, some onion, ginger and garlic, Calabash nutmeg, also known as ehuru or local nutmeg, some crayfish, then add water and blend thoroughly. I'll be blending the beans into batches because my blender cannot contain all at once. I'll then transfer the beans puree or batter into a pot. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more interesting one, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, like, share and comment. Thank you. Place a pot on a low flame or heat. Pour a cup of water into the pot. Place some banana leaf to create a base to steam the moi moi. You can use a steam pot, but I will not use mine because I'm making a large quantity of moi moi. I'll be mixing the beans puree or batter now. Add Knor seasoning powder, salt to taste, add vegetable oil, add in the diced hot dog, mix all the ingredients properly to incorporate. Next is to add warm water The reason is to make the moi moi more smoother and fluffy. Add the water little by little until you get the right consistency for the moi moi, not too thick or too thin. But if you want your moi moi extra soft, you can add more warm water. This is the exact consistency I want the moi moi to be. It's not really thick, neither is it thin. Next is to scoop the butter or puree into the leaf. Take a leaf or two, depending on how wide the leaves are. Fold from one end to the other, just as I'm doing. Then bend the bottom backwards to prevent spilling out or leaking. You are to form a cone with the leaf. Then scoop the puree into the leaves. Place a tomb at the center to cover the moi moi. Wrap from one to the next and flip it backwards to cover the wrap. Hope it's not that difficult, right? Place the wrapped moi moi into the pot and complete the rest. I will make a video on how to wrap or fold moi moi leaves and okpa leaves. Once you are done wrapping the moi moi, cover and cook for 40 to 45 minutes until the moi moi is ready. Sometimes I cook it until the color of the leaves change from light green to dark, or I'll start perceiving the aroma that shows that the moi moi is done. As you can see, our moi moi is ready. Thanks for watching. See you soon.